Hello everyone, we are in Photoshop. Here I will generate the design, create the tutorial for you. You can get an idea there, so you can write anything. It's fascinating to use it. So we will make the changes there. We have to try these designs, explore the changes there. So we can make another shape there. So there it is. We will explore that design again.